Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to delete your Binance US account permanently. First, log into your account using your credentials. Before initiating the deletion process, it's crucial to cancel any open orders you might have. This prevents issues during closure. Next, confirm that your account balance is less than the equivalent of $10. You'll need to withdraw nearly all your assets before you can proceed with the deletion request. Once your balance is clear, withdraw all remaining cryptocurrency and fiat funds to an external wallet or bank account. This is a critical step, as you cannot delete an account with significant assets. Then, locate the account closure or deletion option within your settings or support section. Follow the prompts to formally submit your request for account deletion. Be prepared to confirm your decision. After submitting your request, you'll likely be asked to confirm your decision one more time. This ensures you understand the permanence of the action. Be aware that while your account will be marked for deletion, certain information, like transaction data and KYC details, will be retained for compliance reasons for a specified period. Binance US will send you an email confirming that your account deletion request has been received and is being processed. Even after deletion, it's wise to download and keep any necessary tax documents or transaction history for your records. Also, remember to unlink any third-party applications or services that were connected to your Binance US account. This ensures your digital footprint is clean. And hey, while you're tidying up, check the description for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide was helpful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.